Flo is going hard.
Vegas tells us why he wasn't at Long Walk to Freedom.
We tell you which star has taken over Netflix.
And of course, we have your weekly Soca Fix.
Lots for you tonight, and it's packed with intensity. Let's go!
So before we get to Beyonce and her Netflix special, let's talk about Flo going really hard. They have done something so huge, it's almost unreal.
Let's get that straight right. Spring big like that, they might go over and make it fly down. With a knee can go. Marshall, we nice when they leave it over.
The Flow Game Changer Roadshow is here, taking over Otorias.
Yeah, watch it, we are there.
Wow, me, wow. Wow, me, wow.
Yes, it's a Flow, no matter the world. Game changer, no matter the world.
Yeah, me have to get when me wow, me, wow.
Yeah. All the people them there 4 or 5 and say Flow, my man say Flow. My man is a game changer. So you are going now, we're gonna rock now. Hey! Hold on, pull up. Are you ready now? Everybody go watch Come On now with the breadfruit. Alright, come on, you ready? Alright, come on, warm up now.
No, there, man. I'm going to intensify the place, you don't know. Buckfield Flow Show, good vibe, free show, so you know the people them come out young to old. So I have to represent and give them it, you know.
Who's your favorite so far?
Well, I just got here.
Say who knows, and I just go with the fame known. I'll send it out to my friends and foes.
Flow Game Changer Roadshow, how are you enjoying it so far?
Doing good.
Who are your favorite performers so far?
Well, I like Will Marshall performance, and right now, Protege are going good.
Police cancel operation. No real bad man on rotation. No window checking situation. I blood money running nation.
No, look like Flo deal with no weakness. Because Flo just blow up the place, so.
One of the best concerts so far in our watch show. We give thanks to Flo for the support in our watch show, you know?
We don't care about the stress life. From when we wake up, we don't give thanks to life.
Protege, Ching, some different vibes together is a mad vibes.
I want life me up, me not dash it away. Me not care about tomorrow, me I live today.
Flo, yeah, the place right.
Put your hand in the air. Fry out, it clean off, and me never dirty, I swear.
And dumb if me not talk.
Oh, how are you enjoying it?
Good. It's going well.
Rice and peas. Pull out.
It's a good look because like at first when I saw them I never really understand how them could do something that low. But I mean, when I look at it, mathematically it makes sense still for a man who buy $100 credit every day.
Right now we're here with Stephen Price, Flo's country manager. Stephen, talk to me about what you guys are promoting right now. It sounds too good to be true.
No, it's amazing. Today's been a fabulous day. We had 2 convoys hitting here in Ocho Race. We had 2 convoys hitting in Maypen. You saw Wayne Marshall here, you saw Protege. But that was just about the celebration. The reality was celebrating a new dawn in mobile, where we have liberated voice. You can talk to anybody on any network, unlimited on any of these plans.
Game-changing attitude, game-changing behavior, where people can put on a 5-day plan for $250 and talk unlimited, text unlimited, bridging is a far way that, and a lot of people is going to appreciate it and love it. May I talk from the grassroots people them to even the people them in a corporate, because remember not everybody in a corporate rich. Because remember enough people live off a credit. Sound good and then going good, same way. Flo, big up yourself.
No weakness.
Definitely heard some game-changing plans here tonight.
It was a telecom Twitter war on Friday, but it was expected. Now it's the weekend, so many people are looking forward to the parties that are everywhere. There's a party in every parish, and we have some choices right here.
I have Ricky Trooper with me, and he's going to tell us about Gangsters in Black.
This Saturday will be Gangsters in Black at 3B Port Royal Street, and this is the 5th edition, and we'll be having Bounty Killer and Tamili Sparta as special guests with a host of selectors, you know.
Okay, cool. So what's the admission like?
The admission is $1,500 pre-sold, and $2,000 at the gate. VIP is $3,000, and with IDs, student IDs, $1,000.
Beach Rama is April 27th. We are moving from Savannah Park and we're going to Beaumont Beach Park, that is in East Kingston. It is the party for the weekend, you know, carnival the following day. Nice places, come and chill. Friends from foreigners here, family, bring everybody.
Nice. So what's the admission like?
Only $2,500. Very cheap. You can walk with your cooler and have fun.
So I have Damari and Jody with me, and they're going to tell us about wildlife cooler soirees.
Happening this Easter Sunday, 21st of April.
All white.
It's an all-white event. Off the Chap Complex, Gutters, Old Harbour. The admission is $1,000 pre-sold. $1,500 at the gate.
Nice.
It is 2 for 1 before 7 p.m. actually. So yeah, so just bring your crew, your cooler, and your vibe.
I have Kishan with me, and he's going to tell us about Idonia Live.
So Idonia Live is a day-rave beach party. It's keeping in Negril at the Sugar Rock Lagoon Cave, Main Road, Westmoreland. $1,000 at the gate. There's no ticket entry. We have the Fort General Boss performing alongside the whole Fort Generation team.
Nice.
And we have Tanso, Coyote, Jades, Show Crime, Governor, of course, you know. Plus, there are many more artists going to pass through the place. So it's really a fun vibe, and we're just coming out to do the thing. I have to big up a sponsor them, Charlie JB Rum, Fort Jenna 5F, you know, so it's a mad thing.
So I have DJ Najer with me, and he's going to tell us about Ensom Cooler Fete. What's going on?
We're there, everything all right?
Yeah, man, I'm good. So tell me about your event.
All right, Ensom Cooler Set will be happening on the 27th of April. It's dancehall versus soca. Dancehall meets soca. Yes, so it's gonna be an energetic party, entertaining party. So everybody just come out for that one. Yeah.
Nice. So where is it, and what's the admission like?
All right, it's gonna be at Ensom City Netball Court. That's in Spanish Town. The admission is $500 pre-sold, but sorry to say the pre-sold are all sold out. So it's only $1,000 at the gate. And remember, it's a cooler fit, so you bring your own cooler with your own liquor.
Nice.
And we'll be having liquor on the venue also for those who not carrying any.
So I have Ian, the container boss, with me, and he's going to tell us about Hotspot Sunday Brunch. So Ian, what's going on?
I'm here, I'm good.
Okay.
Talking about the Hotspot Sunday Brunch happening this Sunday, Easter Sunday, at the container Hotspot 116 Duke Street.
Nice. So what's admission like?
Admission basically is $1,500 pre-sold at the gate. 2,500. I know it's a whole heap of excitement and entertainment. I got there. Music will be selected by Team Sheila, Road Karma, and of course special guest Bishop Escobar. And hosting the event, you don't know the gangster ass Munga. So you know the event I got turnover. Also, you don't know we have a new sponsor come on board. So it will be the Campari Hotspot Sunday Brunch. So people, nah man.
Have fun, but please do not drink and drive. Up next, Harbour Jam and Game of Thrones is back. We'll be back after this. Soon forward.